Oh, that'll keep the council busy.
Hey, Dad, let's talk about the plan for this week, yeah? You listening?
No.
Well, you need to because this is really important. Now, I know that I've already been away quite a lot this month, so what I need you to do is to keep these rituals going for me, okay?
Well, what's this all about?
Monday, put this in Julia's lunchbox. She's going to be feeling a bit anxious because she's got her manu kōrero that day. Tuesday, put this into her lunchbox because she has to get up early and get ready for netball practice before school.
Tell you what, why don't you just text her and save all this mucking around?
Well, Julia's love language is words, so this is how I stay connected to her. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing.
Do I have a love language?
You do, actually. It's acts of service to your daughter, which is why you're doing all of this for me.
You know, things were less complicated when I was a child.
Oh, did your mum not put notes under your pillow for you?
We didn't have pillows.
Oh, really? Oh. Well, I may be an absent parent sometimes, but this is how I stay connected to my tamariki. End of story. These are the notes for the rest of the week. And can you please tell Tamati that I will FaceTime him tonight?
Whoa. No notes for me?
Oh, yeah. Open a window.